Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. And you know what this video is. I want to welcome you to the Trade of the Week. So sit back, and this is a good one, and I'm going to teach you something as well, so enjoy this video. Some weeks choosing the Trade of the Week can be difficult, but this week was pretty easy. So let me get started and show you exactly what happened. Our JOBB version 10 software has many different setups that you can use. We have breakout trades that use brackets. Here's what we mean by a bracket. You have current price here. You have a bracket above the price and below the price. So you have orders above and below. That's considered a bracket. Now we have a setup called the trap trade. That's a specialized reversal trade. It also uses brackets, but it uses double brackets. We call them tiers. So if you notice here, about 10 seconds before this particular event took place, and the trade of the week is the Bank of Canada rate statement. It's the Canada rate decision. We bracket the price. Here's the current price, and we've got double orders above the current price and below the current price. And a trap trade is a specialized reversal trade. We're expecting that the news will cause the market to go up or down. Whichever way it goes, we're going to get into the market in the opposite direction. So if the news goes up, we're going to sell the market. If the news goes down, we're going to buy the market. Watch what happened. So the Canadian news comes out. They raised their rate, which was expected. It was no shock or nothing unusual in what happened with the news. 10 o'clock was the event. The price popped up, and if you'll notice, it filled just one of our brackets, one of our tiers. We call them tiers. So we're now immediately short because the price popped up, but it already pulled back. So that specialized reversal trade is working. And now it pulls down. I slightly move my target up just a little bit. It hits hits my first target. I'm out of the trade with a very quick $165. I only traded two contracts. What I could have done was front loaded my brackets. In other words, I could have traded extra contracts on the first tier. See how it says sell one? I was only selling one contract when I got filled. Had the price burst higher, it would have hit my second sell order, and I would have had two contracts in the trade. I only had one. And making $165 on one contract with Canada because it's only $5 a tick is a good little trade. And notice how fast it was. Watch it again. That was like a 5-second trade. So the price is going to shoot up. We're short. It's immediately profitable. Then the price just hangs and then starts moving down a little bit. It hits my target. And then it did change direction, which is very, very common on these Canadian reports. So it is wise to probably exit a Canadian report fairly quickly in most cases because they tend to reverse and chop around quite a bit. So that was our trap trade, a specialized reversal trade, very good for low liquidity type trades, trades you think are going to reverse multiple times. And the trap trade has been working extremely well in these volatile, tricky markets. So that, folks, the Canadian bank rate statement is our trade of the week, a very nice profitable trade using the JOBB version 10 setup called the trap trade. This is Lee Goldstein. I'll see you in the trade room.